Morning guys, welcome back. Finally back on the 10 hour. बहुत time बाद ये bike निकाली है. Last couple of rides have been on the Beamer GSA, and what a huge difference, you know, just the way I'm riding this bike, the way I'm sitting on the bike, the posture. Comparing them to aircrafts, Beamer GSA is like flying an A380, and this one like a fighter jet. Wow, what a difference. Anyway, interesting ride today. Going towards Gurgaon. Dear friend, biker brother, is picking up a car today, so his delivery also. I'll give you the details later. Sherry Bridge meeting point. पहुंच गए. Long time, sir. Morning. बिल्कुल ठीक.
It's a ZX day.
ZX day, yeah.
बड़ी देर से नहीं निकाल दी थी.
I know. मैं actually आज सोच रहा था कि आप कौन सी मशीन में आओगे when you said good morning.
अच्छा, 10 लेके आए हो ना? हाँ, शुक्र है. वो होता क्या है, अगर कोई और लीटर बाइक पे ना हो ना, बड़ी लेफ्ट आउट फीलिंग होती है. फिर वो होता है कि धीरे धीरे पीछे किसके साथ चलाऊं. फिर अब मेरे को पता है ना है बंदा. ठीक है. How are you, Sunny? क्या हाल है? Dog, good morning. Hi, Angad. Hi. How are you, sir? Good morning. Oh. अनुज राइट पे आएगा? अनुज राइट पे आएगा? हाँ, राइट पे आएगा. Ajay, meet us at the showroom. So, what car is he picking up?
I gave him the EQS Maybach. It's the first one in the country.
Very good, very good.
New one.
I'm glad. With all pomp and show, अच्छा है. Delivery, breakfast मिलेगा.
ऐसे यार ये तो फिर गलत ट्रेंड शुरू कर दिया इसने. अब मेरी रोल्स की डिलीवरी अगले महीने है.
अच्छा है? नहीं, रिमोट कंट्रोल वाली मिलती है.
वो बोलने के बाद कुछ सीरियस नहीं था.
मैं रिमोट कंट्रोल वाली मिलती है.
जाओ फोटो खींचो.
So leaving from the meeting point now, route is we head towards KMP, take the exit, go towards Palwal, take the Sona elevated road, and from there head on to Silver Arrows Mercedes showroom. That's Anuj Sani is picking up, I think it's the EQS Maybach. He claims it's the first delivery, first of its kind in the country. So let's we'll go check it out. I've got Buffy in front of me. Buffy के आगे है Raman के आगे है Doc. बस at the exit of KMP. Exit कह लो या entry कह लो इसको. Entry to KMP, in fact, not exit. Exit from the highway, but entry to KMP. So I'm on KMP now. We are riding towards Palwal side. My only gripe about this road is the number of potholes. Look at this. They're like craters on a moon. You know, they're really deep. अगर वो BMW होती, GSA होती, I would have no problem. It'll glide over everything. But on a liter bike, you have to be really careful because the suspension is super stiff, and you can really damage your rims and they get bent in these things. And obviously, the shocks and everything, and the suspension goes for a 6. So automatically, because of the zillion potholes, the average speed on this road, which otherwise would be a decent speed, you kind of go easy and slow, which is maybe a good thing on a bike like this, because again on a liter bike you tend to go fast and but a little fast because it runs that way. It's made to run that way. So anyway, अब आराम से चलाते हैं. अब इसके बाद वो सोना वाला एग्जिट लेंगे, पहाड़ी के ऊपर चढ़ेंगे, पहाड़ी से नीचे उतरेंगे. That's again a really bad patch of road once you get down the Sona hill. I've always done it on the GSA, so I don't usually care, but today I'll have to be careful. We're at the Taru exit. That's it now today. बस यहाँ पे थोड़ी देर रुक के do a couple of pictures, our typical morning photo shoot, and then move ahead for the ride.
Hello, my lord, my lord.
बड़े लोगों को भी कैमरा
बड़े लोग sir, please smile for the camera.
वीडियो बना रहा है पहले बताता
एक्शन में कुछ बोला है नहीं आने दो नहीं
यार
क्या
Nabi, smile,
I
please,
came
please.
I came because I had said to Sergo and to him that I will be coming.
No, you came because yesterday you didn't go.
No,
Yesterday you didn't show
I
up.
did go. किसने बोला I did?
अकेले
ये
गया
तो
तू?
भी रिकॉर्ड करना था इतना सीरियस क्यों ना सब ठीक है
हाँ all good.
Chagi leaving Taru exit on our way towards Sona Pahadi. Get down Kachi Gandi Sadak and then Silver Arrow Mercedes showroom. Frank, roll the 360, the mandatory 360 footage. Ah. Mercedes showroom, Silveros, Gurugram. So this is entering the Silvero showroom. I think this must be one of the early morning deliveries they've done. Nice, cool.
Love you.
Congratulations, congratulations. (2021)
यहाँ से right.
I'm taking the highway. I want to,
Highway बता रहा हूँ.
yeah,
Take a right.
yeah.
And आगे से take a left and U-turn.
Okay.
And यहाँ पे bridge से right and you hit the highway.
So take a,
I will this side.
got it. Basically, I have to go around. ठीक है. Got it. Thanks. For delivery, Anuj has finally got his car. Very nice looking car. Finished our breakfast. Now we are heading back. Alright guys, ride's come to an end, heading back home. What a terrific ride. The weather has become so nice. Riding season's finally here. ठंडा मौसम था सुबह, अभी भी the breeze is nice and cool. It's just that stop and go traffic में थोड़ा गर्म लगता है, but that's how it is. Riding the tenor after such a long time in line 4. Liter bike, my favorite. I couldn't have got anything better than this. वो लवली राइड. अनुज को उसकी गाड़ी मिल गई, वो खुश, हमने ब्रेकफास्ट खाया, हम खुश. अब चले वापस घर को. We shall meet next time. Till then, take care, have a good week, enjoy yourself, and I will catch you in the next one. Cheers.